In this video, you will learn how to use the words do and does with have to and has to. This topic is a part of verbs. To talk about something that needs to be done, use have to with the pronouns I, you, we, and they. For example, I have to go to work. Or, we have to go swimming. Use has to and not have to with the pronouns he, she, and it to talk about something that needs to be done. For example, he has to go to work. Or, she has to go swimming. To form a negative sentence, begin with the pronoun I. Use do not before have to and add the action you're going to take. For example, I do not have to go to work. Or, we do not have to go swimming. To form a question, begin the sentence with do, add the pronoun and have to before talking about the action. End your sentence with a question mark. For example, do I have to go to work? Or, do we have to go swimming? To form a sentence using the pronouns he, she, and it, always use has to and not have to before talking about the action. For example, he has to go to work. Or, she has to go swimming. To form a negative sentence with the pronouns he, she, or it, use does not before have to. For example, he does not have to go to work. Or, she does not have to go swimming. To form a question with the pronouns he, she, or it, begin with does, add the pronoun, use have to, and then the action word you're going to take. End the sentence with a question mark. For example, does he have to go to work? Or, does she have to go swimming? Now you know how to use the words do and does with have to and has to form sentences and questions.